The latest leaks. Google Pixel 10 will be offered in 4 colorways: Ultra Blue, Iris, Limoncello, and Midnight. The Pixel 10 Pro and 10 Pro XL will be getting sterling gray, light porcelain, midnight, smoky green, while the Pro Fold will be sold in sterling gray and smoky green color. Midnight is replacing the Obsidian, which is the closest thing to black in the light lineup, but it is said to be lighter than Obsidian. So you can say it'll be dark gray, with a sterling gray being lighter gray than blackish. Ultra blue is going to be royal blue. Iris is going to be the same color used in Pixel 9a. Limoncello is going to be mid-tone color, which means whatever it means. Light porcelain is going to be off-white versus the porcelain Google used before, and smoky green is going to be a dark green hue. The Pixel 10 series will be unveiled on August 20th, which is later than by 1 week, and pre-order will start during that time. Shipping will be available in store by August 28th. The Pixel 9 Pro is going to get gimbal stabilization this time.